Hello viewers, welcome to Gadget Spares. Today I have this 3 inches subwoofer for sale. Let's see the close look of the subwoofer first. So this is the front look. There is a big excursion. There is a good ring, rubber ring here with big dust cup, and there are 4 holes here to use. And let's see this side. This has very heavy magnet and this is plus and minus of the speaker. So let's see the magnet size here. You can see it's very heavy, and this is the thing written 15 watts RMS at 6 ohms. This is 15 watts RMS, 15 watts RMS at 6 ohms each. So this you can use for any heavy Bluetooth speakers if you are doing DIY project for your Bluetooth speaker. Or so this is the look. You can use this for heavy Bluetooth speakers or any heavy amplifiers for subwoofer purpose, because this has low frequency drivers. This is woofer and you can use this as a subwoofer, but this is not a full range speaker. So I will show you a small working demo of this speaker. I have very small amplifier here. I will show and connect how this speaker responses with that amplifier, that is of 8 watts RMS per channel for 4 ohms, but I will connect to this 15 watts RMS at 6 ohms. So let's see how this speaker responses to the amplifier. So let me connect that first. So for that I am going to remove this, take out the cable here. Let me connect and come back here. Now I have connected this speaker to 8 watts amplifier. Let's see how the woofer responses to the amplifier. So I am going to play now.
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we
So-
haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting.
So alright, I have paused the song here. So this is the response of the speaker. The wattage of the amplifier is very less, but it is responding very good. So if you put some heavy amplifier, in the sense any of 15 watts RMS per side, then you can use these drivers. Even with tweeters it will be wonderful. So that's it for the demo. So I have this total of 9 speakers, 9 woofers for sale, so with very heavy magnet. As you can see, the magnet size is pretty heavy, like this. So if you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. The price is given in the description for single driver. You can buy all 9 speakers as well, or if you want to buy 1 or 2 or 3 or any number, you can buy. Please do contact this sales executive contact number given here. And for your information, for your project, you can use these drivers, but your amplifier should be heavy sufficient to drive this speaker. Then you can buy. If you have anything above 10 or 15 watts RMS per channel, then this will definitely be wonderful output. This will give wonderful output for those amplifiers, or anything around 20 watts RMS per channel. Then also this speaker will drive wonderfully. So if you want to buy again, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price is given in the description and in the title. No cash on delivery option is there as of now. You have to pay in advance full amount. Then it will be shipped through India Post. Pan India, anywhere in the India you can buy this. It will be shipped to your address. Then there is no cash on delivery as of now. As I said earlier, please don't ask for cash on delivery. As of now it is not there. So alright, as of now, if you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Gadget Spares. Please hit that notification bell icon so that you will get the notification once we upload a new video like this. And if you have any queries, please do write comment on the comment section given below. Thanks for watching. Bye.